So welcome to Mail Call Mondays. We're going to open up a package of something I've either bought or that was gifted to me. When the weather's like this, it's nice to have something sent to me when I can't go prospecting myself. And in this case, I got something from KatyDid Rocks.
Hi everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid.
She's a YouTuber, finds some great stuff, has some good adventures. You should check out her channel. So let's go inside, see what she sent, and then maybe we can play with a rock. Oh, you silly dog. Come on back. That's a girl. Ooh, Jasper. Another nice Jasper, possibly an agate. Oh, that's agate. That is a beautiful Montana agate. Well. Another agate and his baby brother. The great thing is these are already sliced and my saw is outside and right now under about a foot of snow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Now then, I will show you something else that makes these just jump out at you. Look at these under a flashlight. Isn't that sweet? You can see the jasper isn't translucent like the agate. Whew. This one has a touch of agate material. That, I'm thinking, is therefore an agate, not a jasper. And then the pièce de résistance. Look at that baby. What a lovely gift. Wait a minute. I remember her videos finding a 7-pound agate and then slicing it.
Okay, so we are opening up the saw. Be so gorgeous, look at it. Look at it. Oh, they just get better and better. Oh, this is so cool.
This is one of those slabs. I am so appreciative that she thought to share one of her best finds with me. I think this is the rock that I want to cab. I'll take you along for the ride. I'm eager to see how it turns out. Well, this is probably a nice shape. Well, I see a little fracture right in here. Wonder if that'll come out or it's baked in. I'd like to avoid it. Let's go with the next size. Okay, that avoids it. That's probably wise. So what I'm trying to do is to cut off pieces of agate to get as close to my outline, but not inside the outline. I think I have one more cut to do, One thing I wanted to point out about using a saw like this, especially freehand, is you don't want to be starting a cut and then go against the blade, twist against the blade, because that'll either wreck your blade, but more than likely just snap your rock. Once you start your cut, you have to go straight through. Now we'll move on to the flat lap, starting with 180 grit, and we'll finish the shaping of the stone. Start the water, start the motor. Use as much of the blade as possible. It spins faster on the outside than the inside, but most important is keep the rock moving and not create a flat spot. Only other thing at this stage is you keep it at 90 degrees. Now I'll add a dop stick to give me better control in the next stages. We'll heat up the wax and heat up the stone. For some odd reason, I find this step to be very satisfying. So we're still at 180 grit. What I want to do is above maybe a line that wide is start bringing in a beveled edge. So there's the start of it. It's flat down here and then cuts in. And now I want to round it to the edges. It's wet, so it's shiny. If it dried, there will be little teeny scratches to remove. And the way we'll do that is we'll go through progressively finer and finer grits until we polish. 325, 600, 1200. Making the same movements as before. I won't make you watch me doing the exact same thing on the next 3 blades, and we'll jump right to polishing. You're welcome. This is 14,000 grit diamond paste, and you use it dry. And that's the whole process. Now this baby goes into the freezer. Well, that was easy. Ready for the next one. And there's my Montana agate. There's before, and there's after. Isn't that sweet? The back and the sides. Well, thanks again to KatyDid Rocks, and thank you so much for watching. We'll do another project soon. Bye for now.